Okay, all right. So you can see that we're in the middle of a painting. We're going to make some realistic effects on the drawing here. So you can see here that there are some trees in the branches. You can see here. So as you cannot see it clearly. So we are going to add some white color to make a blur effect of the the branches. So these branches are the deep dark color, but these are going to be the uh, semi deep dark, so not fully dark. So you can see the visuality is partially, you can see partial visibility. So that's why I'm putting the branches like mixing with little bit white color to make the visibility partially. Mhm. Okay, so that's how we can see that this is in the behind, and some trees are in the front. That's the idea. Okay, sometimes you can add little bit water to make the color smooth and make the drawing smooth, to put the effect in a uniform color combinations. All right, so here are the trees which is partially visible and behind the scenes in a far distance. Okay, all right. Now here in the water, so for the reflections, smooth reflections, we are going to put some hatches of the white part over the the shadow which falls on the water. So that's how we are going to show that this is on the water. So some reflections, just putting it with the white color. Okay, all right. Awesome. So mixing the color with the brush strokes, we're trying to make it as natural impact, natural effect as possible. So looks like that this is on the water. Okay. All right. So this is the done for white part. Almost done, I say. Okay. Maybe we're going to add a little bit water and putting the color a little bit more spread out. Okay, so it's almost all combinations good. All right, so for this area we are going to put some shades. We would like to put some yellow shades on one side of the branches. Okay, so that's why we're putting the yellow only on one side. Okay, also putting yellow for the other trees too. And some reflections on the top you can see also here. Okay, so sometimes we are going to add little bit water to dissolve the color within the branches. Okay, also adding little bit water this part too. All right, and the two branches left, one is on this side Another one is here. Okay, so this is the presentations for the trees here. Now if you like, you can add some little bit blue color for the effect of the water, and that's maybe done on this portion. So other paintings, it's like a step-by-step process to make the uh, presentations looking nice. So just putting some blue strokes on the water to make it a little bit realistic. Awesome. So some blue maybe here we're going to put. Okay, and the water maybe we're going to connect the blue color here. You can see here when it's dissolved in the water, it just spread out to the surrounding areas and making the painting little bit realistic. Okay, just dissolving the whole area with the same blue color. All right, we are going to add a little bit blue here in this part. Okay, now we are going to take a bigger brush just to put the color in a uniform way for the whole area. Just putting the whole brush strokes so that the color combinations become the uniform. So it's getting the realistic, you can see here. Awesome. And for the top part, this is going to have some white effect here because of the mist and the snowy effect. The white part, it's like a some less visibility, so putting the combinations of the white parts here. All right, just putting some white parts the whole area, so you can see the presentation is changing. So the color is little changed, and the blurredness of the visibility of the trees here, the four trees, you can see those trees are getting little blurred and other areas are getting white. All right, all right. And putting some effect here too. Okay, so you can see the acrylic painting it's just dry up over the time. So that's the painting in a whole, and I hope it's almost done. Let's show you the whole picture because it was in a close view while I was drawing. So I'm moving the camera and you can have a total view of the whole drawing. You can see here. Awesome. So that's the idea. So it's the background is the graphics of my table, but you can see the drawing here, it looks nice. And the total outlines and the presentations you can see in the thumbnails. So after you draw, you paint that's going to look like more realistic. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.